In view of 17th Lok Sabha elections throughout India, on behalf of Election Commission of India, everybody is organizing sweep activities. It is called Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Program. In this program, we are going to aware each voters about their vote, to cast vote on polling day, and they should aware of their vote, importance of vote. If everybody votes only, then the principles of democracy will uphold, and through that only will strengthen our constitution. In this view, we organized at Richardson Park a sweep activities in Bangalore North MP Parliamentary Constituency. In this program, we invited all the voters, and one special thing in this program is we invited transgenders and PWD voters to aware their votes and value of their vote, and importance of their vote to uphold our democratic system. Only 50 transgender people have participated, and 69 PWD voters participated. This program is conducted under the leadership of our RO and Bangalore Urban DC BM Vijay Shankar Sarji, and Sir has taken many initiatives to get each and every voters to register, and every voter must vote. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ 7ನೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೀಟಾ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿವಿಪ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಗರದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಬಂದರು, ಹೇಳಿದರು ಈ ಥರ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ನಾವು ಮತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು 10 ಜನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಥರ ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ.
For this awareness, to bring awareness to the general public for this any elections, whether it is assembly election or whether it is upcoming Lok Sabha elections, we are creating one sweep program. Sweep program is actually to bring awareness to the general public, now to franchise their right of votes and for new enrollment. For this program, we have actually given main attention to these young voters who have attended 18 years and above, to give enrollment by visiting all the colleges and all. So a lot of young voters have enrolled this time. In our constituency, almost we have enrolled about 3,500 young voters within a span of 3 months. Apart from that, we have to concentrate on PWD voters also. That is, PW means persons with disability. About 1,000 of them have been enrolled and marked in our constituency this time. And lastly, the transgenders voters. About 40 of them are there in our electoral roll for this time. So all these people also have been enrolled and issued the EPIC card. And apart from that, we have visited the lowest polling stations of the previous elections where we have got the very low voters. We have given awareness to the public to come for the voting time. All this initiative we have taken, and people have responded this time. Hopefully we may get more than the previous election. 2014 our constituency was about 53%. This time we have put enough efforts by visiting all the religious places. We have given demo of the VVPAT and the EVM machines working conditions in all the parks, all the marketplaces to the general public. and hopefully we are expecting that more people will come and franchise their votes.
ಇವು 100 ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ 3 ಸೇರಿ 1 ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಈ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೊಂದು ಪೇಪರಿಂದ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟವ್ರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೈತಾರೆ.
ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಓಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
Election Commission of India has made provisions both offline and online to get register of each and every voter. Those who have not registered for their voter ID, they can register with their respective assembly segments. They can directly consult within the BBMP office or ERO, means electoral returning officers. Otherwise they can register through online also. So Election Commission of India is main objective, nobody can deny of their voter ID. All provisions are made by the Election Commission of India to get and to see to that every voter should get their voter ID.
ಈ ಪುಲಿಕೇಶ್ ನಗರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಓಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಅದೇ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಓಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.